Okay. Let's see how this unfolds, or if this is a total disaster. All right, I've got that open on one screen. We're gonna hop over to the channel. Oh look, it begins. Okay. We got this. Unity modding live stream. I'm just gonna do a quick sound test. It's there. Okay. Sound test complete. Okay, it begins. I'm just gonna start preparing things. So I saw someone on the BSD recently today. It was a little while ago. Nah, wrong channel. They were on the BSD, and they said something along the lines of, basically I posted this, which is an old screenshot of a mod I made a long time ago for the game, and someone said, Caves and Cliffs update and block story. So I was like, that's hilarious. And so let's see what we can do with that. And this is a Unity. We're going to be modding a Unity game using a custom util. So let's show off the tech first. On GitHub. So I better just sign in. Okay, so there's this thing that I coded up a little while ago in C++, and it's the Block Story Mod Loader v1, which I'm just going to use to back up the initial and do a bit of file management with. So I'll just launch it. Maybe you can see it, maybe not. It doesn't really matter either way. Okay, anyways, I'm just going to default the path list the debug. Okay, so what's going on here is it's just telling me where my path is. I put in the default path, so that's good. And then here's some existing mods, but they are only compatible with 13.1.0, so I'm not going to use them. And all we just need to do right now is type backup, I believe. Yep. Oh, it was already backed up. It's good. All right, I've backed up the game, so now I don't have to worry about anything, and I can just work without any issues. Okay, so dnspy coming in clutch. Let's just close out everything and then just start from the get-go. Okay. Stream health real quick. I think it's running okay. Yeah, we're good. We are good. Or not? No, it's running fine. Okay, we'll just roll with it for now. Adjustments can be made later. Okay, we're good. We can start now. All right, so I'm just gonna open up terrain, since that's the only thing I have coded for file management. So we're just gonna zoom everything in a bit so we can see and just take a look. So I have a few objectives that I want to try. The first one is I want to see if I can get Moria working again, because I had it working in 13.1, but you know, these things aren't totally cross-compatible, so I may as well give it a go again. I haven't done this in a while, so it's a bit... Okay, let's take a look. So Terrain Generator version 2. This is the V2 terrain kind of aggregate. I gotta zoom out a bit. This is too much. Just gotta be careful, because if I zoom out too far, you guys won't be able to see it on the 1080p live stream. Okay, so down here at the bottom, yeah, okay, so these are all of the different layers, so to speak. If I remember correctly, it doesn't really matter here, I'll just check. Lithosphere, stratosphere, mantle, space, exosphere. You know, I have no clue which one is which, I'll be honest. IMAP generator, iGround generator. That's that, okay. Okay, I see how it is. So in theory, we don't have to do too much. Biome. We could start by creating a biome. Here, let's take a look. What are the different biomes? So there's some kind of enum. Yeah, it's an enum. Okay, so probably we don't want to mess up things too much, so I could just piggyback off of this and see if we can make a new biome. Okay, that sounds good. Let's add a field. No. Okay, yeah, we can just do that. Okay, so put it in the end, and we'll just pop in a Moria. A Moria at the bottom. We'll just use that as our test subject for now. So now we've got a new token out here at the bottom, Moria. Shouldn't mean much, really. It's just an enum. So we're gonna go to the V2 generator, and we're gonna just take a look around. So what do we see here? We got place structure, so there's some kind of structure place in code here. Caves. This is a cave generator or something. Sunlight. So there's a lot of stuff here, but these seem to be attached to these here. So let's take a look at these. So the exosphere map generator. Oh no, that's not. That's just a member of that thing. So exosphere. Okay, yeah, here we go. What is the exosphere? We can probably learn a lot from this. Mountainous terrain, desert terrain, NLERP, get area, surface properties. This might be important. And biome exosphere. So what properties does the biome exosphere have? Here, let's take a look at a different layer. Maybe there's mantle. Let's take a look at mantle. Block lava, lithosphere, hydrosphere, space map generator. Okay. So there's a lot of properties. So what's the difference between space generator, space map generator? There's not a lot, I'll be completely honest. A lot of chances of things. Let's go to Terrain Generator version 1. So these are all part of like the V2 Terrain Generator. And if I go to Terrain Generator 1, let's take a look. We're looking for hell block. So this looks like the definitive method by which hell exists. And if we take a look around, maybe we'll find Moria. Get Moria. Okay, so this looks like the terrain generator for Moria. Yeah, Forgotten Sky. So in theory, we should be able to just kind of copy and paste this into the system. We just need an equivalent statement. So what we need to look for something that has an XYZ input with maybe something else attached to it in the version 2 generator, and see if we can just kind of cram that code in there. So is there anything here? Here's something with XYZ. These all have XYZ. All right, is this where it needs to go? Perhaps. Shallow sea, cave. Maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe this isn't where it goes. Maybe this is something else. So it's declared at the top. Seed, index structure. Interesting. So maybe we should piggyback off of one of the existing systems. For example, I notice blockstrs.terrain.generator in namespace, public class, exosphere map generator. Let's take a look. IMAP generator. So this is all, we might be able to piggyback off of this, because this is very basic. There's not a lot in here. We might just be able to copy and paste this and then just kind of use this as our baseline for everything else that follows. So this is the map generator. How does this map generator compare to other map generators, for example? Like, per se, the mantle simple map. Simple height map. Simple height map. Oh, this has got the trees. There's all the tree types here. Seems complicated. Let's go to the stratosphere map generator. How does this compare? Sky Town. So this is Forgotten Sky. So this appears to just define what the biome is at any given time. These are some kind of dependencies, so flat terrain, mountain terrain, desert terrain, get area. Flat terrain is utilized here, so that's important to know. I'm just gonna take a look at another thing. Off to the side. Just quickly. Gotta take a look at this. Okay, mantle generator. Let's take a look at that. Mantle generator. So in the mantle generator, we have, oh, there's block types here. Okay, this makes more sense. So, oh, here it is. So this is exactly what we need right here. So we might, should I just make a new type? I feel like I should just make a new type. Hell depth, Moria depth. There's already a property we can pull from here. Maybe. Questionable. Honestly questionable. Take a look at the other one. Okay, so here's what I think we need to do. I'm gonna, yeah, okay, so we need to create a new system inside of here. It should go down here at the bottom. And what I think needs to happen is I think it can literally just be placed anywhere here. Like right at the bottom. Okay, we're just gonna edit this method. Class. So, the new token is gonna be based off of the existing ones. IMAP generator, iGround generator. So in that case, it's private IMAP generator, and then, oh, it's a array of some kind, and then Moria map generator, like that. Should be as simple as that. And let's do another for iGround generator, Moria generator. Should be as simple as that. Okay. So now these are created, and so now all we got to do, in theory, is I think we just need to make a new. What are these called? These are something. Add class. That's a good description of it. Okay. So I want to recreate one of these. So is there the generators themselves? Where do they usually put their blocks? Generate block. This is the closest thing I can see that kind of lines up with Moria itself. So let's see, public block generator. So this looks like the location where it should be placed. I'm not sure. I don't think this is just kind of extra stuff that's attached to all of this. So in theory, what I need from here is I need this noise. I need any dependencies that exist. So PRNG and noise are probably important. So this could be considered a type? No. I guess let's just let's pull off mantle, the mantle generator. So we need these. iGround generator. And this here. This is also important. So I'm going to copy everything from here up. Yeah. Okay. So let's create a new class. So I have to bracket you guys. Okay, and I need the noise function. I can't compile these, can I? I'm gonna have to put these in a notepad document. language C#. Okay, we're gonna build it separately. Okay. So here's what we need to do. So we also need the noise system. So if I go to the mantle map generator, let's go down to the bottom and take a look at these tokens. So 2 bracket spaces, 1, 2, and I'm going to grab these since these are a dependency. And that should solve these 2 things here. Apart from the fact that we need to actually have these in there in that case. Okay, let's quickly train generator version 1. Unreal is superior. Okay. Nice. This doesn't really matter if Unreal is superior. As far as I'm concerned, all engines are pretty much equal in there. Use the tool that works. It doesn't really matter which one. I give Unreal its own credit. I have it installed. Yeah, I have Unreal Engine. Unity's good though. I don't think pitting game engines against each other is a good use of time. Chunk generator. Oh, what have I not done yet? After mantle generator, I should call this Moria generator. Hello, Dobbs. Dob. Unity. What a Chad. Cool. Public. Moria. Generator. I think we'll just do. Yeah, that seems correct. And this dot prng equals prng. Do I know what this means? No, not really. Only my response. This dot noise 3D equals new noise 3D prng. And worst comes to worst, I can just copy and paste things from the old mod over. I'd like to write it again so that I actually understand what's going on. Unfortunately, I have to do their name spacing. Consistency is key. Okay, let's take a look at the original. Okay, here's the original code from the version 1 terrain generator. And I think it just pretty much one-to-one can be slapped in without much issue. Noise thing. Value equals 3. Noise value. Where does this blue line end up? It ends up with here. So if I just copy this, I have no idea what you do, but I like your keyboard sounds. Thank you. I am running Cherry MX Red. Cherry MX Red. It's very nice. I enjoy the typing experience, even if they're not the most sophisticated keycaps for the gamers ever. Okay. I'm delaying because I hate copying code into random locations. Okay, we'll just put it under get Moria block. Okay. We'll just throw it under the Moria generator thing here, or under clamp. Scary. You never know. Oh wait, I gotta update the name spacing because version 2 uses something else. Do I remember what it is called? We're going to, hello, challenge this as whoa. Yeah. Whoa, indeed. What in the world? Unity modding. Live stream. Because I hate, oh yeah, it's called surface area. So this is surface area, but it's spelled different. So surface properties area is what we actually need to put in there. We're not going to save it. I will trust my computer to save this just this once. In cluster biosphere. Generate block. Can we just like name it generate block? I think we can just like, rather than keeping the Nori, I don't think this is compatible. So we're just going to call this generate block. I need to not do that. It's quartz. Quartz, by the way. Okay. That is a name from the BSD that I am aware of. Let's just scroll through quickly. Do I remember who is this? Is quartz. Yes, right, of course. BSD. Noted. Okay, so area checks out. I can use that. Scary. Okay, so the noise just transfers 1 to 1, but I will need, I think I need a noise function at the bottom, or can I just use, I think these just work all on their own. Mantle generator. It says mantle generator. That's not very good now, is it? It's the same thing. These are the same. So I can just go bye-bye. SMP. Oh no, wrong. I was thinking of the wrong Discord server. You're from the SMP. Okay, got you. Challenge this. I didn't recognize the... Right, I remember. You're right. That makes a lot more sense. If I had just not said anything, would you have been like, maybe this person called Lumpology lied about who they were and they're not actually. Yeah. No, I remember who you are, the SMP. That'll be fun when I actually get to do it. Yeah. Brain. Too much code. Okay, this should just like 1 to 1. I can probably just make the class now. Like I don't have, I think this just copies 1 to 1 in. Okay, good enough for jazz. Clamp. Do I need to do anything with clamp? I don't see why I even need clamp. I'm just going to take it out for now. There's nothing here referencing clamp, so I'm just going to copy all this and make a new thing here. Maybe it'll compile on the first try. Wait. I need to go to version 2 generator real quick. V2 generator, hello. Stuff. Okay, here it is. Yeah, it already knows it's already prepared for it to exist. All I have to do is name it correctly. Wait, capital. Tough call. Does it matter? I don't know. These are all lowercase, but these are all capitals. I'm just going to go with that. It's going to work perfectly on the first time, and then nothing's going to go wrong. Okay, add class. Hello. We paste. This is just going to work. I'm going to hit compile, and this is just going to work. Watch this. Yeah, I definitely knew that was going to happen. Moria generator does not implement interface member iGround generator. Blah, blah. Yeah, of course it wouldn't. Why would it? Reference. Oh, that's a mistake. Reference. Surface properties. Now it's going to work. Yeah. Okay, fine. Moria generator generate block thing. Oh boy. I remember how this is done. Clearly, I'm not looking at reference on the other screen. Don't accuse me of such a thing. Okay, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna cancel this. We're gonna save this. Well, we're not gonna save it, but we're gonna just keep it there in mind for now, and we're gonna go over here. And in this area here, we're just going to make sure. I have no idea what the hell is going on. I am completely with you. I have no clue what's going on either. I'm just kind of feeling my way through this. Okay, I've set them up in that space. It matches. My brain hurts. Okay. So maybe I'll just, why is it a 4? What's the, get area, surface properties. There's surface properties. Get area, X and Z. They're not making this easy, are they? Okay. Oh, we get to accept input. So we get to decide what we want in here. Maybe we'll just copy the exosphere. Oh wait, I have to edit class. Okay, here goes. Enter key. This dot Moria generator equals new. What is Moria generator? It's an I ground generator. And we're just gonna use 4 because the other ones used 4, and why deviate from what works, right? Even if we don't know why it works. Now it's autofilling for me. Very nice. You might not be able to see this. It's pretty small on my screen. I don't know if YouTube compression is killing. Mixed with the 4K display. Okay. I'm just gonna, no. I don't know what I'm doing. That's the problem with this. I don't know the order of operations. I know this is right, but I don't know why it's right. Oh, this is the capital. Oh, I get it. This is the connection right here. Okay, yeah, that makes more sense. This is the capital letter. I don't know why I didn't see that earlier. Just trying to figure out how these two things connected. In theory, smooth sailing from here on out. These don't exist yet. Oh, is that going to cause issues if they don't exist? Do I have to put them in for... making my life hard. We're going to... Oh god, this sucks. Okay. Don't let me forget that these were supposed to be in there. Notepad coming in clutch. Oops. Okay. Don't let me forget about these. These are important. They just have to go in after I figure out how to put the thing in. The thing. God, oh god. Okay. Wait, no, I should check if it has it referenced. Where. It has it referenced here. Okay, so it knows what it's supposed to be. It has a clue what's going on, because I don't. Which is good. At least the computer's keeping up with me. I'm gonna drag this over to this other screen here so that I can see it better. I'm just gonna take a quick look through. Yes. Confusion gets larger with every second. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. Here's what we're gonna do, because we don't want to stream for 1,000,000 hours. Do I have to create the map generator first? Okay, let's... Fine. No, don't do that. Save this. I need that. Okay. New section. Maybe if I just copy and paste the code from the previous one, it'll just work. We're gonna do that just because sanity. Oh wait, I can just put it in here. Okay. Biome Moria is missing. I was pretty sure I dealt with that. Moria. Okay, we're gonna have to fix that. Mantle. Show me the biomes list. Where's the biomes? Biomes list. Biomes. Okay. I put it here. It's right here at the bottom. Moria. Biome.moria. Why do you do this to me? Okay, do I have to compile first now that I put that in? Maybe I have to do that. You might not like this. We're gonna try anyways. Whoop. Okay. Generator. Okay, so now that we've saved, let's add the class again. See, now it registers. Now I can see biome.moria. Not that you can see it because I haven't zoomed in. Biome.moria. Okay, so this should just work on the first try. There it is. Okay, Moria map generator is right here. Oh, okay. We got this. Moria map generator. So now let's try adding the other one, the other elusive topic. Add class from the notepad document. Hello, notepad document. We're looking for red text. I don't see any red text, so we're just gonna hit compile. And it's gonna work perfectly on the first try. Okay. Okay, we're just gonna go with whatever happened there. Okay, so now we have a Moria map generator and a Moria generator. Cool. Okay, terrain generator version 2. Now we're gonna do the thing that I said was really important earlier. And edit class. Notepad document coming in clutch. It was really important. There we go. Why is it red? Oh, okay, fine. I see how it is. Save module. Okay. Class. Yes. Perfect. All of it is perfect. Everything is fine. Okay. compile. Perfect. Okay, now we're gonna save. Save. Good. Okay, now, what are we missing? Do I have to put it in somewhere now? Is there like a layer where Moria belongs that doesn't belong somewhere else? Or or is this fine? Moria generator. Or is this all I need to do? Surely there's more to it than this. Okay. Yeah, let's take a look around. Let's view all the properties. Calculate layer. That looks like something that might... Oh, there we go. I knew it was hidden in plain sight. What are these? Y1. That is a position of some kind. Y1. So this is layer 500. Does space start at 500 in the actual game? I think it does. Okay. Let's rebalance this. All of this. What seems like it might work? I could just... Space. So we need to move... We don't need to move space. Moria is under the ground. Exosphere is from 410 to 500. Stratosphere, so that's Forgotten Sky. The mantle is like the base of everything. And lithosphere, is lithosphere just the ground? So let's push the mantle down to something along the lines of like 350. Let's push it down to 350. I think that's the historical location of the mantle, because it used to be a bit further down than it is now. And we're going to create a new area. It's just like, we might need some new numerators, new numbers. Okay, you're going to be num5, and you're both num5 now. And we're going to stick you in between here. If y1 is less than or equal to negative 350, I think that's how this works. We'll just go with it. And y1 is less than minus 250-ish. Let's do something like that. Okay, so according to the precedent set, set here, we return at the bottom. That's an optimization int. Num4 equals y1. How do you determine? How does this even? We'll just copy plus 256. Pointed to 7 and 3 apparently, because all of the other ones have that, so it must work perfectly. We don't question things. Ground generator equals this dot Moria generator num4 and map generator equals this dot Moria map generator num4. What is that? What, like, actually, what does it even mean? What does it mean? Yeah. Y adjacent layer? Adjacent layer to Y level? We're just going to copy yours right here. And it's going to work fine. It's all going to be fine. Compile. All that's going to be fine. These just look like town biome. Well, there are biomes listed here, but the other thing also had biomes in it, and I don't see like every single biome here. I only see some of them. Place structure, and it's in a thing called place structure, which there are none of in Moria. So I'm assuming it's fine. Moria is listed. I think this is all just gonna work. I think if I compile now, like this, save module, and I launch the game, I think it'll just be there. Bold claim, Lobology. Can you back that up? Okay. We're just gonna do that, because it's just gonna work. Trust me. Let's play some video games. And Steam is not going to revert it because Steam doesn't know. Video games. We're going to make a new world. Mod test. Creative. Okay. I'm a scientist. It's just gonna work perfectly on the first time. It's just gonna work perfectly on the first time. We're gonna put down a teleporter right here. It's gonna work perfectly on the first time. Okay, perfectly on the first time. And what did I tell you? I said it would work perfectly on the first time, and it did. Okay, this isn't a beach. I will admit that's not quite right. Now we're in Moria. What? Okay, something's not lining up very well. I bet it's that Y adjacent value. And this is a little weird, not gonna lie, like how there's this gap in the flat surface. It doesn't transition very well. I guess because there's two different terrain generation systems, but it's a lot of nice flat land, so perhaps from a real estate perspective this is perfect. Well, I have a mod ready to ship apparently. Is everything here? Like, are there spawners? What is going on here? Structure's still trying to place down here. Okay, I guess that's fine. I'm sure it's fine. It's just been sheared off the top. I wonder why. Like, is there? I don't claim to know. Okay, now more ship it. More pressing matters. Does the layer below this still exist? Yes, it does. Okay. So we have modded the terrain back in. I can just throw a teleporter down. I don't have to do this. Teleporter 1. Perfect. Okay. Well, my teleporter isn't. There it is. Our mod was a renowned success. Okay, so this is clearly a stickler of some kind. 256. 256, eh? Yeah. Yay, party. Party emojis, thank you. Okay. What do I want to do with this? Good question. I want to adjust. We're going to push you down to 250. Oh, I have to edit though. Forgot to edit class. Okay. Where is it? Where did it go? I forget. I lost it already. It's vanished from my vision and now it has disappeared into the ether. Okay, there it is. Okay. I'm just gonna push you down to 250 and it's gonna work perfectly. Nothing's gonna go wrong. That is not a multiple of anything really. Well, the other number isn't either, so it should be fine. It's all gonna be fine. 128 is a multiple of 64. Ouch! Okay, fine. That's okay. Everything's gonna be fine. I'm just trying to figure out what the math behind this is. Maybe I can graph this. Let us use advanced techniques called Desmos. We're gonna graph this number and figure out what exactly it does. Y equals negative 256 plus x plus 256 plus 64 and 128. Oh yeah, and 128. I don't know what that means. Am I missing something about C#? No, we're just gonna go with it. Oh, it's a line. Okay. Fine. Okay, what if I replace it with negative 128? Yep, I don't understand. Pretty much sums it up. 128, negative 128. It's just a y equals x equation. Doesn't mean anything. Well, what is this actually? Like here, parameter out. Okay, I have to look up C# information now. Okay, C#. Out. Operator C#. I'm a C++ programmer, I don't know this stuff. Out preference modifier. The out keyword causes arguments to be passed by reference. It makes the formal parameter an alias for the argument, which must be a variable. Out int number. Class stuff. Okay, fine. I see how it is. Wait a minute. Oh, space generator uses 128. This. Okay, what we're gonna do is, this must be some kind of gap thing. So I'm just gonna assume it is, and what we're gonna do is say that -192. I don't like that. That feels wrong somehow. Yeah, I'll use 128. So I'm going to use 128 also. Oh, maybe that's the reason. I don't care. Something like that, perhaps. Again, I don't know what the number does. So I don't know what I hope to accomplish by changing it. But it seems like I must. And we're going to see what happens. And it's going to go, and it's just going to work. As I've said way too many times this live stream. Okay. It's all good. Oops. What? I didn't know that could happen. Perfectly placed hole. What's up, TGS? Unity modding live stream. Did it just move it down, or did it move this up? I can't tell. I think it just moved it down. TGS, we are modding gameplay. Okay, so we're good. But it still says we're in a beach. Shoreline. Shallow seas. Moria. Okay. Can I chop off just the top little bit? Or is it just fine? It's fine, I think. I don't think it really matters. Maybe I can simulate what's going on with this, with the bottom of the mantle on the top. Like, yeah. No, maybe. Let's take a look at the code. I don't know what affects that, though. It's just noise. What mods are you willing to add? Currently, I only have code for terrain mods, so that's all I've been adding. But that being said, I just adjusted Moria, so my thought is next what I'll do is I'll go up to the surface and we can play around with the surface terrain a bit. Make some mountains and stuff. Some proper mountains. Proper mountains. So it was on my I had to add this first because this is just too important and I needed to get back into this. Maybe long-term goal will even add the old Atlantis system back in. And then I'll ship this mod at the end of this, maybe at the end of the stream or something. I'll just make it so you all can install it really easily, or something. Is there a legal way for me to do that? I don't know. Might have to code it. Okay. Or I'll upload it to the mod loader utility and just use it that way. I don't know. It's not compatible with Android. That's all I know for sure. Let's just hop into the teleporter. Go back to the surface. Alright. Alright. If you guys have any ideas, what do you want adjusted? Specific biomes, and I will make attempts to figure out where that is. Okay, we're just gonna put the character right here, and we're gonna exit the game. And now, we are going to look at things. Mantle. Okay, actually, let's just hop down here. The mantle is hell. Moria's Moria. Stratosphere is the lithosphere is the ground. Oh, I get it. Yeah. Lithosphere. Take me to the lithosphere. Oh, lithosphere. Here's the lithosphere. No, that's not the lithosphere. This is the lithosphere. Begin. Terrain version 3. I'm aware I can't modify structures, and I can't modify mob spawning very easily. Some years ago, you were trying to add multiplayer into the game. Not trying to annoy you or something, but I want to know what happened to that project. That is a very good question. Well, you see. Let me see if I can pull it up. He took it down. Shoot. Do I have any evidence of what happened with that? Do I have any evidence to show what happened to that? Good question. Okay, here might be some. I think this is it. This is what happened with it. It didn't go very far, I'll be completely honest. There are limits. Okay. Yes. Perfect. Okay, order number 1. You'll notice that it skipped right from the boot to the gameplay. It skipped the main menu altogether. Okay. Okay, there's the name. I don't think the terrain was syncing yet. I just had character sync. But you can push NPCs. I was piggybacking off of the Unity, the default Unity multiplayer system, which was in the game at the time. You'll notice this is not exactly the newest version of the game. This is maybe the cactus will give you reference. I don't remember what version this is. Can I pull up? Maybe if I just do that and I pull up another copy. I'll window this one. How did it look if another player joined? Let's see if I can show you. Can I do this without doxing myself? I think so. I think I can. Host. Okay, that'll do. Client. There he is. Okay. It's not very spectacular. It's just a name. I think if I go from this side, there it is. Yeah, it's just a floating name tag. That is as far as we got. But this is secret. No one gets to shush. This never happened. This never happened. Again, if I destroyed a block on one of the clients, and you would not see it on the other client, because there was no terrain syncing yet. I was working on it. I had I don't know, maybe an ingenious solution, maybe not. I really couldn't tell you. It never worked when I was working on it, so maybe. Yeah. I don't know. I don't know if that'll go anywhere. I haven't touched it in years. It's probably pretty rough around the edges. I just wanted it to work somewhat, and it kind of did. Problem is, because it skipped the main menu, I did something wrong. I skipped the main menu. Whenever you put a block down, left the chunk, and then went back to that chunk, it would have just vanished, and the terrain would reset because there was no save function. Yeah, I don't know. It was rough. Yeah. Are you willing to continue? I'm not unwilling to continue it. I'm just I'm not a Unity developer by trade, so it was difficult to do even what I did on what knowledge of Unity I have. I'm not a Unity developer. I tinker with Unity from time to time, and I'm good at coding, but I'm not a Unity developer. So maybe I'll open that up again someday. Last time I looked at the project files, they were obscenely broken, like just in terrible shape. Because the problem is, after I released that demo executable, I kept working on it, and I just kept breaking things. So maybe I can go back now and try again. But yeah, I have to at the very least try and revert the project back to where it was at when I made that demo. Yeah. Do I still have the video of it? It'd be hilarious if I had the video of it. Yeah. I did a 40-minute recording session for that. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna go back to what I was working on. So, I you know what? For you guys, I will open the files off stream, and I will take a look at what it would take to do that, because it would be interesting to look at again. But I don't want to open that right now. So here's my thought. Lithosphere generator. So we have some areas here for a couple things. Sinkhole. Okay, this is perfect. It divides it by mountain. So all of these biomes are attached to this system here. And same with these ones. So desert is this code because it's a case statement. Desert mountain here. Okay. What about the lithosphere map generator? What does this do? Okay, so this is something significant. Yeah, I can probably do it, given enough time. If I do it, it'll be on an old version though. It was somewhat successful, to be honest. I mean, I'm not good at programming nor knowing much about it, but I can tell you made good progress with it. Yeah, I made enough progress to actually do a demo where I recorded it with 4 people to test it. Accelerator had an unlisted video for it for a long time, though it appears to be gone now. Yeah. I will look into that. Why not? I haven't looked at it in a couple of years. May as well be now. So, next part, Watertown. So the towns are listed here. Biome Atlantis. Interesting. I just want to kind of play with the noise generator. How can I do that? Is there a specific number that would be like the perfect way to do that? Question is, it's like, which one is it? Is it lithosphere or lithosphere generator? Do I use the noise function directly, or do I go by like individual biomes? Or is this is just setting? This is just defining blocks based on height. Okay, so I can define how many layers of snow there are here before there's dirt. So for example, if I wanted there to be another layer of snow, I'd set this to, let's edit the class. If I wanted another layer of snow, I'd set this to 3 and this to 4. Do you still have that long hair? Yes, I do. Sequoia forest. Sod. Sod is that grass in this case? Maybe it is. Dirt layers here. Interesting. Or is it stone? I don't know. Area plus height -4. Sandstone. Sand. Oh, this is in the desert mountain specifically. What are these go-tos pointing to? It doesn't say. So it's pointing to something external. That's interesting. Let's just pick a thing. Volcano. Can I think this is not what this is for. I think the lithosphere generator doesn't do that. I think we need to go to the lithosphere map generator. Okay, we're gonna just take a look at get area. Noise value. Poofy here. This is true. Here. 1 second. Over here. Yep. Okay. River, desert mountain. Oh, they are using desert terrain. Okay, so maybe if we just up the noise in desert terrain, it can base height, mathf, denoise, really is tough call. Really stems from the fact that I don't know which thing is which. You know what I can do? Here, I'll use the can I just with this sphere generator, we're just going to edit class and I'm just going to copy from the previous mod, compile it, see what happens. Here, let's see if it transferred over. I seem to recall there being kind of fancier terrain. Oh yeah, it crashed. Why wouldn't it? Okay, let's just go with that. Maybe it'll work, maybe it won't. There we go. Instant success. This is a shippable mod, I'd say. Let's see if we like what it looks like overall. It's giving us some higher looking fields. Pretty significantly higher amount, like, stuff. Let's can I wish it would let me increase the load distance a bit more, but I guess that's fine. There's a thing. I think that works pretty well. Because overall it's a pretty good height. Pretty substantial, like you go up this mountain, it's a pretty thin mountain admittedly. Now you're above the trees. Let's go over here. It's a little more dramatic at least. Might be more fun to traverse. Ooh, yes! Now that looks pretty interesting, eh? So now you be more fun in like hardcore mode, because in regular mode you can just fly up, but now finally use that 2-block height jump. This is a pretty good like revamp height. I'd say. If my memory serves me, oh, it inverted the mountain. This is the desert mountain. That's pretty cool. Honestly, like I don't think I mind this at all. Admittedly, I don't know what to do about this. This is shippable. We could definitely just ship it like this. Be usable. There's a town. See? It's not all. It works. Is creature spawning on? There we go. Or is the new spawning system just gonna kill any chances of me seeing a mob? Because of the new terrain specific. Oh god, what's going on here? I should increase the snow layers by how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, yeah. The snow layers need to be increased by 4. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna park right here. Exit the game. Open DNSpy. And we're gonna find snow. Here we go. Okay, snow. Oh, I see what I did wrong. Okay, we're gonna edit method. Oh, wrong thing. Edit class. I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna set this to like 5. We're gonna do a 3rd and a 4th here. And then we're gonna go down to that's tundra. Is there any other locations with snow? Nope, those are the other ones. Okay. Save module. Good, good. And then launch the game again. Isn't modding a consistent fun thing? Now they just need to not update the game ever again so that my mod never breaks. Let's take a look. It could go up another block, honestly. Like, I still see a decent amount of the dirt. Love your work, Antonio Torres. Thank you. Yeah, we could go up another block. Let's do that. For laughs, because it'll be funny. We're gonna drop down to... Okay. Nope. That's wrong. Lithosphere map. Lithosphere generator. Okay, snow. 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 Okay. Edit class. We're gonna drop down. See, anyone can do this. Anyone could theoretically figure out where this code is and add more to it. It's not that complicated. You know, we're gonna do 2 more blocks for laughs, because I'm a bad programmer. Why am I doing it individually? I don't know. I don't actually think it's required to do it like this. I just think it looks pretty, and I can always reverse it. File, save module. Okay. Good. Now, we launch it again. And I have to reopen all my stream stuff because I closed it when I hit that button. Okay. Well, that's a dramatic change. The tower vanished. No, there it is. Okay. See there? Perfect. Now it's patched up all of the dirt holes. And yeah, that's like proper good. If I do say so myself. Looking good. And the structures are okay with it because we set our Y level correctly. Everything's moved around a bit, sure, but like, hey, what is that? What does that even mean, really? Now, don't get me wrong, I don't think the train will go too high because we've still limited it somewhat by placing Forgotten Sky where we did. We could move Forgotten Sky up, I guess. But we could also leave it. We could also leave it right where it is. And space still looks good. Are there still satellites? That's what we need to make sure of. Because if the satellites vanish, we've done something wrong. Not that it really matters. Like, does anyone use the satellites? Are they quest? No, there they are. Okay, we're good. The satellites still exist. Okay, good. So I think this is shippable. I think you can defeat Dragon Lord like this. What else could we play with? Volcanoes. Yeah. What am I thinking of? I mean, there's some pretty nifty mountains here already, so it's not like you have to think about it too hard. Which this kind of unimpressive volcano. I don't think I have any objection to this. All right. Well, unfortunately, it is 7 o'clock, so I have to end up this stream in order to do something IRL. But it was a pleasure. I don't do these, well, I'm doing these more now because they're fun. But yeah, this was a Unity modding stream. A bit scuffed because I didn't prepare ahead of time. I just, like an hour before the stream started, was like, hey, I could do this. But yeah, this is good. Could do this more often. Unity modding is a thing that can be done. It's pretty easy too. Well, you're watching me stumble through it with very little Unity experience, but yeah. I doubt this isn't a very good guide. I doubt this will help anyone, but I'll ship this mod out, and yeah, we'll go from there.